Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Peppertype.ai, a tool that just came back to AppSumo. They are here again, and I have been using that tool to create my YouTube video descriptions. I have more than one channel and I use that for the YouTube video description and I like it. And let's see what they have new on AppSumo right now. So Peppertype that just came back is a tool that generates better content in seconds with the power of artificial intelligence. They are a Jasper alternative that it was formerly Jarvis. Peppertype is an AI-powered content generation tool that creates engaging content for a variety of channels in just seconds. It's a copywriting AI tool with many templates and also the long-form content that they are still developing. As you can see here, the deal, it depends on the tier that you buy. So tier 1 starter and tier 2 and beyond, you are mapped on the growth plan. If you buy the deal previously, you can upgrade right now. And let's see the limits here. The limits here are related to the number of total words per month and the number of total words per long form content. As you can see here, this is a deal to buy at least tier 2 because then you get unlimited total words per month and some long form content words per month. If you buy tier 3, you're gonna get more users and you're gonna get more long form content words per month. I would suggest you to buy at least tier 2 here. And if you need more long form content words per month, you buy tier 3. Right now, what counts as long form content words per month? I'm gonna show you. It's here. The following templates are included under long form content, so they are not unlimited, they count relating to your limits. So blog intro, blog outline, blog conclusion, blog sections, everything related to blog, pen agitation solution, before after breeds, YouTube video descriptions, and compiling bullet points. All of them are counted under long form content. So let's check out the tool right now. I'm going to my account. We are here on Peppertype, and now we can check out those templates. I'm gonna show you an overview. YouTube video descriptions that I said to you is the one that I use most popular quota, content rewriters, social media post captions, and they have more, tweet ideas, Facebook ad copies, engaged social posts, YouTube video description, content expander, a lot. Amazon product descriptions, content rewriter. As you can see, they have many templates and they are still developing their long form content dashboard. I use a lot the YouTube video description, so let's start from here. And type here, Peppertype, and copywriting AI tool that everybody likes, like to create fresh content. Here you can select your keywords, type in that case, everybody likes, create content. So here you can see examples of the content. Peppertype is a tool that can generate different types of content in a light and fast manner. The software is super easy to use and can help you create new content in a jiff. The content that's generated is also SEO friendly, which means that you will rank your website products higher in search results. So as you can see, they have good product video descriptions. If you want to create more outputs, you just click here. They will generate the outputs based on the content you wrote before. So here, more content. Peppertype is a tool that allows users to create fresh content using natural language processing, etc. So let's show more tweet ideas. I'm gonna find here the new AppSumo tool to talk more about new ideas. I'm gonna create a review from iData, the new AppSumo tool that I found beautiful. So I want to create tweets about iData. Here the description. Let's check it out. So here are some tweet ideas. Tweet about how iData can help with customer service. Share a story about a time when you used the chatbot for your company. Ask people if they like to build their own chatbot. Talk about the features that iData offers. Content rewriter. Let's check it out. And someone could ask if you can write Portuguese, Spanish, French. It already works with other language. I use it with Portuguese as well, but they are developing more features for multi-language, so they will have more features for multi-language, but by now it already works multi-language. So let's check out the content rewriters. Here you can, using some templates, you can select the tone of voice. So I want a friendly tone of voice, for instance, and click on create content. As you can see, the tool is pretty easy to use and to understand how it works. So they rewrite my iData phrase. For instance, iData is more like a product marketing specialist that you've been hiring for years and never knew it. With a simple chatbot, your team can easily collect leads in no time. Let's check brand product descriptions. iData again. You need to check out that tool, iData. I am writing iData is an AI-powered generator tool, etc. And they gave me another product description. iData's goal is to provide a simple way to create chat and call bots that communicate with your users using dynamic AI and machine learning, etc. So they gave me much more outputs than on the other case. Those are not counted towards your limits, only the blog functions and the YouTube description. Let's check this one. Create pen agitate solution copywriting through iData as well. Occasion, that's my Christmas. Target audience. Solo entrepreneur. I'm starting writing. iData is an AI-powered tool, etc. So they gave me pain agitate copywriting. Solo entrepreneurs are often stretched thin. They can't afford to hire better staff, and more staff requires more overhead. Agitate. iData is a highly affordable option for solo entrepreneurs that lets you scale up your business with less overhead and a fraction of the cost. Solutions. Check out iData today. Use code HOLIDAY50 for 50% of your first month. There are more pen agitate solutions here. Let's check out another template. Social media post captions. This one is popular as well. Again, with iData. Every company is a tech company now. If your company is not using technology to scale, you are missing out. AI-powered chats and call bots will save you a lot of time. So they gave you a lot of ideas. Your quest is over. iData is a AI-powered tool, etc. So that is work. You select your template and you just add your input and you're gonna get many outputs. Core answers that are popular as well. iData, product name, AppSumo. How AppSumo is changing the world. Tone of voice, friendly. So how AppSumo is changing the world? AppSumo is a one-stop shop to find and discover amazing software tools, ebooks, and other things that will make your lives easier, more productive, and more enjoyable. We package these products all into a one-week deal and sell them for a steep discount so that we can deliver the best products to our customers faster. So this is how AppSumo is changing the world. And that's it. That's Peppertype. You can select more content templates here to know more about it. If you need that kind of copywriting AI tool to help you to do your daily copywriting, just go to Peppertype and you will do well. Thank you so much. If you like Peppertype, just click on the link below. And if you want to know more about Idea, I'm gonna put the link as well on the description. Thank you so much. Bye bye.